classic ceramic steel whiteboards are known for their glossy or low gloss finish, top-notch quality and lots of customization options. If you want to add some color, glass boards are often the go-to choice, but they have a few downsides like reflection and limited customization. We now introduce an innovative solution that combines the best of both worlds. We call it Satin Tones. These new ceramic steel surfaces feature a low gloss finish and come in a range of soft colors, inspired by the latest interior design trends. Unlike traditional glass boards, the new Satin Tones have a surface that makes reading easy from any angle, providing a pleasant visual experience without distracting reflections. Satin Tones seamlessly integrate with other materials, like our acoustic felt, creating a dynamic and stylish look. One of the best things about our ceramic whiteboards is how customizable they are. You can get them in any size you need, add your company logo or have special cutouts. Want to see the benefits of Satin Tones for yourself? Request your free sample kit today and discover how Satin Tones can elevate work and learning environments to the next level.